In this video, we're going to be experimenting with a cost-effective, powerful homemade weed-killing formula. I asked the revolutionary language model, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, to come up with a recipe that I could use that wouldn't cost me a lot and it would get rid of all the weeds on my gravel driveway. So I'm going to share with you the ingredients that it suggested to me, as well as one in particular that I guarantee is going to surprise you. Then we're going to mix it all together and hope that there's no crazy reactions. And after that, we're going to apply it to a couple areas to see if it works any good. So our first two ingredients are fairly common in a lot of homemade weed killing formulas, and it's double strength cleaning vinegar. Now this stuff cost me around $5 each in their 3-liter bottles, so we've got a total of 6 liters to work with. Next on the list, we've got another staple item, salt, of course. I'm going to be using pickling salt because I had some available. You can get these for about $1, but I had actually debated grabbing a handful of salt out of my water softener. It would just take a little bit longer to dissolve. So the last item I was really surprised, it was borax, which is a multi-purpose non-toxic cleaner that you can buy. It's fairly cheap. This box cost me around $6 maybe, and it's about 4 pounds. So it's very good value. So when I asked the AI why it suggested this item, it told me it's because it contains something called boric acid. Now, it said that if I could get concentrated boric acid, it would be way better. But because I wanted something that was cheap, this was a way to get a lower dose of the boric acid for a cost-effective way. So I went ahead and started emptying out all the vinegar to mix the ingredients together. I forgot to mention that I'm supposed to use Dawn dish soap, which apparently is an important ingredient in allowing the mixture to get to the roots of the weeds. But unfortunately, I completely forgot to do this. The recipe is telling me to add 2 cups of borax and 2 cups of salt and the 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish soap that I forgot. Once it was completely dissolved, I loaded it into the new spray container I had just purchased. There was some extra paint laying around in the garage, which I used to make 2 sample spots. One was on the grass and one was over some moss. After that, it was time to get to work on my driveway. The AI said it could take a couple days, if not a week or so, before everything is fully killed. So we're going to come back and check out the results in a couple days. All right, so it's been about 4 days now, and you can definitely tell that everything's drying up and dying. I do feel like it's a slow process, but it seems to be working pretty good so far. Check out, this is actually about a month later, and you can see it, the grass started falling out completely. The moss, I don't feel like it really did anything, but I did just make another batch that I didn't forget to use the soap in, and I'm going to try it again to see if it helps. So far, the one with the soap has been working really well for me, so I am expecting a lot better results just based off of what I'm seeing thus far. But let me know in the comments what you think. Would you try this recipe made by ChatGPT? And if you do, let me know what the results are. Thanks for watching.